Hello and welcome car enthusiasts. My name is Chad and you are watching Car Reels. And in today's video, I'm going to be discussing how you can take care of faded black trim on your vehicle. Now there are plenty of products out there to take care of the black plastic and black trim around your windows that are in liquid form. But today I'm going to be talking about a different option for a particular location on the truck, and we're going to be using Big Red to do that. So I found some pillar post covers that will take care of the faded black pillars that are on the truck now, because it looks horrible. It looks very faded, and next to this shiny red truck, it really takes away from the look of the truck. So we decided to do a simple fix, and I'm going to turn it over to my son, who actually put these on, and show you exactly what we did to take care of this.
All right, so this is what it looks like before the new posts. You can tell they're pretty worn. All right, so this is what they look like. All I've really got to do is clean the surface and then stick the adhesive on the door, and then I'll show you when that's done. All right, just finished the driver's side.
So as you can see, it was a quick fix, but made a huge difference on the truck, so that now it looks more finished and refined and just a better complement to the shiny red, ruby red paint job. And so my son now has a truck up at school, and so really glad that he made that slight modification that makes, it's one of those deals, it's just a small detail that makes a huge difference on the look of the truck. So that's today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope it was helpful. Give you some ideas of what you can do maybe for modifying your vehicle and freshening it up, keeping it looking new. And so thanks for joining me, and we'll see you on the next one.